So, good afternoon, everyone. Good evening, and welcome to the magic world of Vedic mathematics. So, this is a 2 days workshop where we'll be learning some insights of Vedic mathematics, how to start our own classes, and how to further succeed. So, learn and at the same time lead towards the success. So, this is the fundamentals of this workshop. Now, before we start, I would request everyone, please switch on your camera so that we can interact with each other. Yes, Utsav, Umesh, user, that is Madan, Fatima ma'am. Okay. Now, I think that this is now very first thing. Why Vedic mathematics? Before moving to that, let's understand some few basics before that. And a warm welcome to you. See, you today, I would request that you should always congratulate yourself, pat yourself whenever you take some step towards some learning or something new. You need to appreciate yourself because this is you who have taken the step. And this is a very important thing in our life when we learn or when we start a new journey. I'll give you the reason why. See, every year before the new year, we make so many resolutions, so many plans. We'll start with yoga, we'll start with meditation, we'll start with shlokas, we'll start with anything. But what happens on the first day? Are we able to fulfill all the things? Yes? Yes, Madan. Are we able to do justice with our resolutions?
No.
Or are we able to continue with our resolutions? We just think, oh, let me start the next day.
Next day, procrastination.
So, and this is not with every, again, it is selective. Now, if you plan for a movie on 1st Jan, will you ever miss it? Or you need to go to some religious place, temple, mosque, will you leave it? No. See, this is the difference. Knowledge, education, empowerment. We talk a lot about these things. But when the actual day comes, we prolong it. We plan, okay, we'll do it later. Nothing is going to happen and we'll do it later. So that is very much important. You need to understand in your life. And that was the reason why I told you, you should applaud yourself. You should appreciate yourself. You should pat yourself for taking the first step towards learning of Vedic mathematics, a new journey in your life. So before moving further, let me introduce myself. I'm Dr. Yogesh Chandana, and I'm an author as well as trainer of Vedic mathematics books named Step by Step. An educator. Yes, Madan, I'm not able to see you. There's a totally dark. What happened? So I'm an educator for last 26 years, and I motivate and help people to
Sir,
grow.
clear. I can see you, sir, and I can hear you clearly.
I wanted to see you also, because that is the way we can interact with each other.
Okay, sir.
Light band hai ya to. I'm an educator for last 25 years and motivate people and help them to grow as an entrepreneurs. So this subject, Vedic mathematics, it's also a journey towards entrepreneurship. And we'll discuss on this in the coming slides. Very first thing, the first step itself is a difficult one. You know, All resolutions fail on the first. We might be planning for this subject. I won't comment personally now. I know people were thinking about this subject from last so many days, but it was being prolonged. So first step is the most difficult one. Please understand, every journey starts with the first. So once you have done that, your journey starts. Now, second, we also think sometimes, what will I do at this stage of my life? Is it useful at this period of my life? So please understand, there is no age to learn something, to do something. The very point is to do something. I'll give you two examples. All those who eat chicken, they are aware about the popular brand KFC. So you might be knowing at what age he was successful in his business, at around age of 67. And Donald Trump, when he became the president of most powerful country of the world, what was his age? 70s. So we all are less than that. So if they can do, why not we? So please understand, there is no age limit. It is what we think about ourselves, right? Even when you go reading these holy books, what is expected from us? Only two things. One is confidence and one is self-motivation. And what happens? I'm not feeling well today. I'm not feeling good today. I'll not eat something. I'm not feeling good today. I'm not going to do work today. Such are our excuses. We fail even in a day. So motivation and self-confidence, which we should maintain throughout our life, we generally fail in a day also. You might be ready for the exam, and the last moment you think, oh, I'm not feeling to give it, or I'm not planning to do it. Such are the things which changes our plans, our motivations and everything. So don't worry, this is the right time and the right place to understand, to learn the subject called Vedic mathematics and start a new journey of entrepreneurship in this. So let's start this journey with positivity and confidence. And today is a day to learn. So we'll be learning Vedic maths, how to launch your courses, your program, your classes, lead the way, and move towards the path of success in life. So very first thing, we'll start with the history. What is the history of Vedic maths? Why Vedic mathematics? Why it is called Vedic maths? Or what is Vedic mathematics? Yes, Kausa. What is Vedic maths? Umesh. People have not joined. I don't understand timing. क्या हुआ उमेश, फोन किया था आपने?
फोन किया है सर, उसका स्कूल से आने में कोई प्रॉब्लम हुआ बोल रहे थे।
चल, कोई बात। Yes. So, what is Vedic mathematics? Yes, Madan. Any guess?
I have no idea, sir.
You have no idea. What do you do as of now?
Actually, we have a school.
Which place?
It's in Nepal.
Nepal. Which place? I had been to Nepal. Okay, you told about Fidim, near Fidim, 32 kilometers.
Yes, yes, sir. It's nearly about 32 kilometers from Fidim.
I told you I had been to in Fidim last month on 1st, 2nd, 3rd. I was there in Fidim itself. So we had 3 sessions in Fidim Senior Secondary School.
Right.
No issues. So
we are interested to learn some new ideas, how to.
Definitely, we'll be learning today. We'll be learning the base, why students have fear of mathematics. Why do they take this subject as a fear factor? See, and it's not about the children. It's about every one of us. I don't think any one of us will say, no, I was not beaten or I was not punished or I was not harassed when I was learning tables. Remember,
You're
you
right,
can,
sir.
it's a very open thing. So mathematics has always been treated as a havoc, as a stress, as a pain. And this has been induced in the minds of children. Rather, this subject would have been treated as the most simplest one. Now, why do I say most simplest? Because this is the only subject where you have answers with you. But we don't know how. See, answers are with you, and very important thing is all of you, if are correct, will have the same answer. Is it possible in other subjects? No. In other subjects, if two people are correct, they might have a different viewpoint. But mathematics, they all will have the same answers. So considering that, you can have this as a very important subject, a very easy subject, but the only pressure that has created a problem. Yes, Diva and Shivyansh, please rename to your name you registered for. Diva, are you able to hear me, Diva? Yes, please. Okay, so what is Vedic mathematics? So Vedic mathematics is a solution to all these calculation problems in mathematics. So Vedic maths is what makes your mathematics simple, easy, and faster. In one line, if I say Vedic mathematics makes mathematics magical. But before observing this magic, before experiencing this magic, let's walk into the history. From where did we develop this subject called Vedic mathematics? Why is it called Vedic mathematics? Yes, any one of you? Amit, Kausar, Umesh?
It is believed that, sir,
Mhm.
it is originated from the Author Veda.
Okay. Diva, are you able to hear me? Madan has clearly said he don't know anything, but others. So the subject Vedic mathematics, the name Vedic, it is believed to be originated from our Vedas. So how many Vedas do we have? Madan, you might be knowing that. How many Vedas do we have?
As far as I know, there must be 4 Vedas.
There are 4 Vedas. Definitely we have 4 Vedas. So what are those?
It must be Rig Vedas,
Yes, correct.
Atharva Veda,
Very good.
Yajur Veda,
Very good.
and Sam Veda.
So I'm not taking your test. Don't take it that way. But yes, so we have 4 Vedas. So Rig Veda, Sam Veda, Yajur Veda, and Atharva Veda. So the 4th Veda, Atharva Veda, which deals with mechanics, medicine, sculpture, and all the sciences which we are today aware of. So that is from where we have got this beautiful subject called Vedic mathematics. Also, the word Vedic means ocean of knowledge. Now, but who is in between? Who gave us this subject? So he is Swami Bharati Krishna Tirath Ji. Now, Swami Bharati Krishna Tirath Ji, he was a saint, he was a scholar, he was a Shankaracharya at Jagannath Puri. Jagannath Puri is in Orissa, a Peeth, Shankara Peeth in India, in state of Orissa, and the place name is Jagannath Puri. So he was a great scholar, a saint who wrote so many books. And one such collection is today called as Vedic mathematics. Right? So coming to the technical term, what is Vedic maths? So Vedic maths is what makes our mathematical calculations simple, easy, and faster. Or you can say it is a collection of techniques. Now, techniques in mathematics means formulas. So we can call it as it's a collection of techniques or formulas. And here in Vedic maths, we'll call those formulas as sutras. Right? So it is a collection of techniques, formulas, or sutras which makes our mathematical calculations easy, simple, and faster. Now, question arises, how many formulas do we have? So we have 16 formulas and 13 sub-formulas. So these 29 formulas with which you can solve entire arithmetic, algebra, geometry, trigonometry, calculus, conics, and even organic chemistry. Got it? Yes. Is it clear? Any
Yes, sir.
question you have regarding history of Vedic mathematics or the technical? Yes, Diva, Shivansh. Yes, Kausar ma'am. Any question you have? Kausar ma'am, now you have any question? You are attending for the second time now. Do you have any questions? Yes, Umesh? Sure. Now, the question arises. We already have so many subjects. We have mathematics, we have number of other subjects. So why Vedic maths? Yes. So, Madan, this might be a question in your mind because you're running a school. So you might be thinking, why another new subject? What is the need? So let me tell you why Vedic maths. The first reason is it enhances your speed. It increases your speed to 10 to 15 times faster. Can you believe that the speed can be increased within some time? Tell me. Do you believe in this, that the speed can be increased within? See, please, I'll make you. This is not a lecture or webinar where I'll speak and you will just attend. It's mathematics. So you learn only if you'll answer me, if you'll ask me questions. Diva, if you are not interested, you can leave, please. It's the fifth time I'm talking to you. If you're not interested in responding, you can leave. So, point is, if you are not clear, how will you learn? So, very first important reason why Vedic maths is it helps to solve mathematical calculations 10 to 15 times faster. Now, why does it happen? And this we have read in number of books, social media, Facebook, wherever you pick and you write the topic Vedic maths, the first line you'll see is it helps to solve mathematical problems 10 to 15 times faster. Now the question arises, why does it happen? ऐसा क्यों होता है की स्पीड एकदम बढ़ जाती है. फातिमा मैम, आर यू देयर? Amit? So I think only one is attending, rest all are not interested. Great. Now, why? So very first reason I'll give you. Madan, how do you read a paper? How do you read a paper? What direction you use?
I start from right to left. Sorry, from left to right.
You start from left to right. Correct? How do you write on a paper?
It is applicable. The same thing is applied from left to right.
Same thing is applied. Now you're sitting in your office, in your school. Just see in front of you, there might be a cupboard, there might be some books placed. The first instance, you will observe the things placed on the left hand side and then right hand side. Just observe. True.
Yeah, it's
So that means everything, whatever we are doing, that is left to right. Our eyes and our brain coordinate in such a manner. Correct?
That's correct.
Everything we do in left to right. Why maths the reverse way? Why maths right to left? You might be having math teachers with you right now. Can you ask this question to them? Why maths the reverse way?
There's a thing to be taught.
So yes, that's my question is. Yes, Fatima, Diva, Amit, Umesh. Why maths the reverse way? If we are doing everything from right to left, why maths the reverse way?
To make it easy.
To make it easy. No, because we never thought it can be done from left to right. And maths teachers, they would have given you the answer. Now you are not from particularly math background, otherwise you would have given the same answer. Sir, unit place, tens place, 100 place. And that is
Yes.
because this is what we have been doing. But no, in actual, we never thought of this idea. And when you have not given a thought, how can you give you the answer? How can you practice it? Basically, today we'll be learning this also. And this is one reason why our mental mathematics is slow. And with Vedic maths, we'll be able to perform calculations in both the ways, right to left, left to right. Correct. So this is the first reason why with Vedic math speed increases or enhances. The second reason, or the second very important reason is independence. So if we are asked to do some work independently, that is much faster. Rather, we ask somebody to do it for us. Because when you are doing your work on your own, then nobody is to alter, or you are the driving force. And that is what makes your work easy and simple and faster. Same things applicable in Vedic maths. In Vedic maths, you don't need a paper. You don't need it. Today itself, see, today is the first day, and within 15 minutes, you'll observe you don't need a paper, you don't need a pen. So when you are independent of every physical thing, and you are totally dependent on your mind, this becomes faster. So this is a big reason why with Vedic maths, calculations become simple and faster. Third reason. Now, this is a life-changing process, you can call it as. Whenever two students are fighting or they are not in harmony with each other, what do we say first thing? Please settle down, please calm down. What is the reason behind that? We just want them to come to the normal situation. Now, why is it required? So that their mind should deviate from that fighting to a normal mind. In other words, if you understand, now this is a very simple, I'll give you one question. Five, 7, 6 multiplied by 1, 2, 1. How will we solve this? Yes, Madan.
We have to multiply by 1 to 1.
So what would be the first step?
First step should be kept 1 6 is 6, 1 7 is 7, 1 5 is 5.
Perfect. So you will
And
be following the method 576 multiply by 121. So first time you will multiply with 1, then with 2, and then with 1. Correct?
Yes, yes, sir.
Please remember, you'll be doing this way. And I'll make sure that you change your mind.
How, sir?
That we'll see. If you'll keep on answering, you'll be able to. If you are there in the, if you'll keep your camera on and be there, you will, I'll see. See, that is what I wanted you to experience, that magic. You automatically will change your mind. You know, I will not do this. I'll do something different. And that would be verbal. Can you find this answer now mentally?
So one thing, there is one, my light is problem getting. I'm changing my light, so it's,
No problem. My question is, now we have started.
I will maintain my light and I'll open my camera, sir.
Okay. Now the
Yes.
question is,
Yeah.
can you solve this mentally?
Mentally, sir.
No.
6, now it became 5 7 6 upon 2 6 2 6 are 12 1 11 2 7 14 15 1 2 10 10 again
It's
5
not.
6 7. It means 6 9 5 5 10 17 6 plus 1 7. It will be 6 7 7 9 6, sir.
Wrong. Very first thing, since it carries out 3 multiplications and then addition. So that is the reason we are not able to calculate it mentally. But after few minutes, you'll observe, you'll change the procedure.
How,
So
sir?
that you have to wait and watch. That is what, see, I should not give you the answer. You will have to experience that.
Okay,
Correct.
sir.
Now, this is known as visual ability. See, in
Visual.
life also, what happens? If somebody says you something and you immediately react, what happens? Sometimes you fall into a difficult situation. But if you are observing that, visualizing that, if you're listening to that and take time to react, what happens?
Yeah.
Always things fall in a better condition.
Yes, yes, sir.
So
Yeah.
what is that? It is visualization, reasoning, and logics. So these are the 3 things which are involved in mathematics. Visualization means first is observation, then reasoning means thinking about the same and applying the logic. If these 3 things are present in any person, it is not going to change your mathematics. Mathematics to ho jayega 100%. But these 3 things are life-changing process.
Yes,
So generally,
sir.
I call it as a life-changing process. A student having all these 3 things, they are never going to fail because they know how to get out of each and every situation. Correct?
Yes, sir.
जो हमारी कमी है ना लाइफ में, वो
हाँ.
कमी ये है कि हम ऑब्जर्वेशन नहीं जानते. आप यू आर रनिंग अ स्कूल, एक पेरेंट पीटीएम होती है आपके यहाँ, करेक्ट?
Yes, sir.
पीटीएम में every parent has a complaint, my child is not able to focus, my child is not able to concentrate, my child is not able to pay attention. ये
Yes.
पेरेंट की कंप्लेंट होती है टीचर को, और टीचर की सेम कंप्लेंट होती है पेरेंट को.
Yeah. Yes, sir.
So what is the solution?
Is that the problem, sir? The teachers tell us there is some that student is not concentrating his work, and parents are telling same. My child is not concentrating in his study. Is
So
not
my
progressing.
question is both the parties, they are saying the same question. They have the same problem. It is not a
Yeah.
problem of a child. Very first thing you need to understand.
Yeah.
This is not the problem of a child. My question is, have the teacher or parents taught how to concentrate, how to pay attention, or how to focus? Have you
Yes, sir.
taught any time?
Yes, sir. Sometime we have to we have get some parents and teachers meetings too about keeping the child about his problem
No,
and
no,
his
you're not getting.
weakness.
हाँ तो फोकस कैसे करना है ये क्या सिखाया इसके लिए? कंसंट्रेशन कैसे करना है उसको क्या कैसे सिखाया?
For the child, sir.
आप चाइल्ड से ही तो शिकायत कर रहे हैं ना. आपकी
Yeah,
शिकायत,
yeah.
हमारी शिकायत किससे है कि बच्चा कंसंट्रेट नहीं कर पाता, बच्चा फोकस नहीं कर पाता, बच्चा अटेंशन नहीं रखता. तो क्या आपने कुछ सिखाया इसके लिए?
Still, yes, sir. Something little process that daily what we have done on our daily life, our daily work as a work solution for the personal guide, personal extra coaching classes we have done.
सर आई
for
एम
them.
सर एक्स्ट्रा कोचिंग, प्रॉब्लम वही है ना. मैं तो अभी फोकस की बात कर रहा हूँ, बहुत छोटी सी बात. क्या हम फोकस करना सिखा रहे हैं? आपने और एफर्ट्स डाल दिए.
Yes, sir.
एफर्ट्स एंड फोकस इज डिफरेंट थिंग. एक बच्चा पहले ही मैथ्स नहीं समझ पा रहा, उसकी मैथ्स की ट्यूशन लगा दी, तो वो फोकस कैसे हुआ? कंसंट्रेशन कैसे उससे बढ़ेगी? हाउ विल दैट? एंड यू नो द प्रॉब्लम इज the complaints you have with the children, the same child, he remembers 40 songs, lyrics, word to word.
Yeah, yes, sir.
He remembers 60 movies, frame by frame.
Yeah, yes, sir. Yes.
So
Yes,
why
that-
not your education?
That is the common.
Because lack of interest. So very
Lack-
first thing, yeah, tell me. बोलिए.
Yes, sir. This is the right. They are not getting interested to mathematics and any whatever any subject which subject they are losing. They are not getting interested about the subject.
Okay, Madan, I'll give you one stat. 40 students in one class, correct?
Yes, sir.
You have generally 40, strength of 40, maximum 40, minimum could be there.
Yeah.
30 students, they are going for after school tuition to the same teacher
Yes.
or different. Let's say 50-50, whatever is the case. And 10 are still failing every time in maths.
Yeah.
So that means 25% is failing basically.
Yes, sir. Yes.
So what is the conclusion? Maths is so tough that we should remove it from our curriculum. This
No.
is first. Or the teacher is not teaching, so we should hire a different teacher.
The concept should be given clear to the child so that he can understand instead of stretching so many things. Make sure
Why?
that segregate.
Why we are not able to do it? It is not a situation of one school of Nepal. It is a situation of each and every school of India also. It is a situation of each and every school of any country. And I'm talking about particularly mathematics right now. I'm not talking about other subjects. Yes, this is a criteria. 25% of students are every time failing in mathematics. The reason is we are not teaching them mathematics. We are imposing mathematics. We are trying to make them learn mathematics, make them cram mathematics. You understand? If, okay, Manoj, if a student, a simple question, what is 12 plus 18?
30.
Can you check this answer? Can you verify? Just give me 1 minute. I'll give you time to verify. I'm coming. Khushi?
राम्रो कुरा थियो के बोले अहिले त्यसो भनेको हुन्छ तपाईँ कन्ट्याक्ट गरेर सोधिदिनु
All maths teachers are there.
Maths teachers are here, sir.
I
We
knew.
have-
So they should have taken different screens. Because this way, knowledge will not come. You are putting up in one. This you have to. Okay. Yes, so any one of you can tell me, how will you check 18 plus 12 is 30?
Yes, sir. 12 plus 18 plus 11.
Yes. Don't know. So all our math teachers.
No, the order of operation, the operation additions should be there. We should add 12 plus 18. That will give to 30.
My question is, okay, when students are doing the same question in exam or in homework, what do you say? Check your answers, verify your answers. Do you not say this? Check your answers, verify
Yes, we
your
do.
answers. Do you say this?
Definitely, sir.
Why? When you don't know.
Because
Problem is,
the students might make mistakes while adding.
my point, you're not getting. Try to understand the question and answer it there. All your teachers are sitting there itself. Ask them if they know, or yes or no. That should be their answer now.
Because-
Okay. See, my point is very simple again. When we have not taught them how to check, have you taught how to check, how to verify answers? So why do you say this? Check your answers, verify your answers, when you have not taught them this way? Basically, you want them to repeat the question in the rough sheet so that if it matches, it may be true, it may be correct. But if it does not matches, it would be 100% wrong, right?
Right, sir.
So why don't you say directly, repeat the question in the rough work? What is the need of saying check your answers, verify your answers? Because we teach differently and we preach something different. There is a method, there is a technique in Vedic maths with which you can verify your answers within 3 seconds. And that is what is need of the hour. Today, even a class 1 student, they are doing 10 questions on addition. After the completion of questions, if you ask how many are correct, he'll say, I don't know. Or he'll start checking on your calculator, or he'll check with the answer key. He's not confident. But if you give that tool to him, that method of verification, that method of checking, so think how much confident that student will become. When you know what is the answer, what is the correct answer. Got the answer. So this is required in the students, that confidence building. Why students are coming to school, or even if you are a parent, why are you sending your child to the school? Being a teacher, being a school owner, you are still sending your child to a school so that they gain social interactions and confidence. But are they really getting confidence? The first day mathematics starts and they're struggling in that confidence. They need to think over it. We need to work on that thing. Confidence. So what is Vedic maths? Very first thing, it is the journey of transformation from fear of mathematics to confidence. So once you get confidence in your child, then nothing is left behind. Second thing, the feeling of I can. Okay, now today you have a feeling, yes, I can do something. Then only it is possible. Now, if you don't have that feeling also, will you be able to do something? The first thing is you need that feeling, and that feeling is dying in the kids. That feeling is missing in the child because lack of confidence. You have passed down some years of your life. That is the reason you are able to at least sustain. But a child who has just started a journey of life and meets mathematics and all hopes go fail. We call it mathematics as the most simplest subject, but for ask those students studying in the class from whom one day a teacher asked a table of 9, he crams anyhow. Next day they'll ask 12 and he's in vain. He'll try with 12, then 13 is asked. So please understand, there is something faulty in our methodology, and that is covered by Vedic maths. Third thing, now you're putting near Fidim. If I ask you, okay, you have to go down to Jhapa by road only, by walk, how many days you'll take? But if you have that, okay, you can go by car, bike, or bus, it would be more comfortable. So that is known as if you have options in your life. Similarly, mathematics. Now we do only one question. You can solve, you have only one way to solve, and that is the biggest trouble. With Vedic maths, you get ability to think. The same question can be solved in number of ways. So what I told you, as a teacher, right now we are imposing maths on them. If he's not able to understand why 12 plus 18 is 30, we say, no, understand, it is 30. There is no alternative. So Vedic maths gives that ability to think in a different way, and you have options or different ways to solve. So that makes it possible and faster. So these are the 3 different reasons. Very first thing, we can either calculate from left to right or right to left. That is the reason why Vedic maths is faster. Second reason, independent of paper and pen. That is the reason we are faster. Third, visual ability, reasoning, and logics. That is faster. That is why Vedic maths become faster. And the fourth reason, now you told, we said we do the calculations mentally. Now, when we are doing the calculations mentally, some part of the calculation that is kept in our intellect. So what happens? Both our right brain and left brain, they start working. Right brain and left brain, they both start working. They both get activated. So what happens? Now, who has right brain active? Yes. Your science teachers might be knowing this. Who has right brain active or who has left brain active?
Right-handed man, his right brain works most of the time, and the person who is left-handed, his left brain might work.
You are putting up in a nuclear family or a complete family?
No, I have a nuclear family.
Okay, so you never saw your grandparents? grandparents ever lived with you?
Mm, yes, they lived and they expired a
No,
year
no.
ago.
Okay. So did they allow your kids to write it from the left hand?
No, it always starts from left to right.
I'm not saying about talking about writing. My question is, when a child is young, 1 year, 2 year, they try to hold something in left hand. Do grandparents allow
Yes,
them
I've
to
noticed
hold
that.
from left? No grandparent allow.
Definitely not.
So as per your definition, you said left people. Now, where do we get left people nowadays? Yes, nowadays we are in nuclear family, so we don't have time to think to teach our kids. But if we are putting it in a family, in a big family, grandparents they never allow. And if they never allow, that means no one was logical. No, please understand. Right brain means right brain is activated for all the kids who are more into arts, creativity, music. And left brain is with all those students who are logically stronger. You might have certain students who might be at the back benches, but they always have a question: why, how? They always have these two questions ready. Everything you teach, they'll ask why, how. So that is who are more logically stronger. And with this Vedic maths, both your brains they start working. So when both the brains start working, you become much faster. Concentration level actually increases. So these are the 4 different reasons why speed increases with Vedic maths. It's not that it increases. It's it's a fact. But why it increases? These are the 4 basic reasons behind the scene. Clear? Any question, any doubt on this? Yes, Amit Kausa. Any question on this? If you have, otherwise take out your paper and pen and we'll start calculations. Yes, tell me. Yes, Madan, any question? Or any of your teacher has any question now? Am I audible?
Yes, you are, sir.
So any one of you have any question on the up till now? Whatever have been learned till now? So shall we move further? Okay. Now, the first topic I'll take is very easy topic I'll take first. That is multiplication with 11 and its multiples. So what are the multiples of 11? Yes, Kausar. Yes, Madan. What are the multiples of 11?
11, 22, 33, 44, 55, 66,
Correct.
77.
Okay. Now do you know 11 is very magical number? How magical? Take 11, multiply with any single digit number. What is the answer?
22.
If you multiply by 3, 33. 5, 55. 7, 77. 9, 99. Do you find such thing with any other number? No. Does this magic continues with a double digit number? Okay, let me give you a question. What is 12 into 11? Or 11 into 12? Yes. So what is the answer?
121.
You can remove that teacher from your school if he does not know this question also. Yes. If he's not clear about 12 into 11, he's not eligible to be a teacher. It is 1, 3, 2. And this is how we do. Correct?
No, 132. Yes, sir, it's 122.
We cannot say students are not doing anything. So we need to work ourselves first. Now, this cannot be. It was just a 20, 80, 12. If I ask 72, then? So the answer is only 792. How? Here you need to understand how. So see, all your teachers, they might not be knowing this till now. Whenever, see, what is multiplication? Multiplication is two numbers taken, right? This is your first M1, this is M2. So whenever you have 11, either as M1 or M2, so what you'll do, this is 12. First digit as it is, last digit as it is, in between add the two numbers. So what is 1 plus 2?
3.
1 plus 2.
3.
It's 3.
So that answer is 132. One more. 72. 7 as it is, 2 as it is. What is 7 plus 2?
9.
So 792 is the answer. You can check with your calculator. 63. 6 as it is. What is 6 plus 3? 9 and 3. 693. See, please understand, we are doing only multiplication with 11 right now. So what is 22 into 11? Yes, what is 22 into 11?
242.
242.
242.
Yes, Madan, difficult.
Yes, sir, it's 242.
But is it difficult? You took so much of time.
No, no, sir.
36 into 11. Fast.
396.
396.
Perfect. 44 into 11.
484.
484. 43 into 11.
473.
32 into 11.
352.
352.
352. C. Now, 90 into 11.
990.
Perfect. 81 into 11.
891.
891. Perfect. 36 into 11.
396.
37 into 11.
310.
Great. So understand now. 36. Now, please understand.
396.
Okay. Now, all of you might have done one concept called place values. Correct. We teach this to the students in generally class 1, class 2, class 3. And so how many digits at unit position? How many digits at unit position?
1 digit, sir.
1. How many digits
1,
at tens position? Yes, Madan. Ask your teachers.
2,
2 digits.
2 digits. Okay. How many digits at 100 position then?
3,
Yes, Madan. Ask your teachers. Yes, Rachna.
3
1
digits.
digit, sir.
See, at
100.
every position you will have only 1 digit. I'll give you the explanation. Now all of you are sitting on chairs. So how many chairs you are using? Yes, Madan.
1, sir.
Are you sitting? 2 people are sitting on 1 chair.
no,
You know, when students enter a classroom and you have some bunch of chairs, they take one, and when the other person arrives, they say, shift to the other. This is occupied. Now you need to understand, this is a very basic thing. But what we have crammed is, unit means 1, tens means 2, 100 means 3. No, it is actual that total digits are 3 at that position, not number of digits at that position. And that makes a difference. If you understand this much, 85% of Vedic maths can be done by this concept itself. Now, so what we do is, we generally, so when it was 36, the answer was 3. Now there is a gap. To this, I put a line between so that I should maintain a balance. This line is put to maintain balance. What balance? That 1 digit here, 1 digit here, 1 digit here. So it was correct. And these lines are called as balancing lines. Physically, they does not appear, but in Vedic maths, we take it, we understand this concept so that our calculations become faster, easy, mentally super. So 36 was 3, balancing line 9, balancing line 6. But what happened in 37? 3, 10, 7. And you gave that answer. Can you think?
407, sir.
Here, this is correct. You have unit place 1. As per your answer, this is correct. Because you only tell at 10th position we can have 2 digits. But as per my knowledge, or in actual, we have only 1 digit at 2nd position. So this was wrong. So what happened? The extra digit you move further. So when you move further, this becomes 407. Now it is correct. So this is, you need to understand. But I have to do it mentally, not on paper. So how will I understand? Very simple. 38. My first is, I have to write first digit as it is. Okay. But no, I observe that there is a carryover coming because 3 plus 8 will give me a carryover. So I immediately
418.
418.
And what is the balance of 3 and 8? That is 1. And 8 as it is. 56.
418.
I have to write 5. But no, a carryover will come. So I automatically add 1. Why do I add 1? Because when you add 2 digits, maximum carryover would be 1. Please, this is a common thing. What digits could we have? 9 and 9. In that also, the total is 18. That means carryover is 1. So please remember, carryover will be always 1 when you add 2 digits. So 6, 1, 6. If today you're finding it difficult to remember, to do it mentally, then you can do this. 5, 11, 6. Then also it is correct. Yes, Madan. Now is it clear?
Yes, sir. It's clear, sir.
Okay. So what is 66 into 11? No need of paper. No need of pen.
616, sir.
Mentally. First 6
616.
means it will be 7. 6 plus 2 means 2. So 7, 2, 6. 7, 2, 6. Got it? Yes, Kausar, you did not understand till?
Yeah, understood. 7 to 6.
You have to answer. 83 into 11?
83 into 11.
And
9, 1, 3.
913.
913. Yes,
Yes,
Madan, is it correct?
Yes. Yes, sir.
yes.
So you have to answer, not only say, yes, it is correct. You have to. Okay. 49 into 11.
519.
519. 64 into 11.
704.
704.
704. 77 into 11.
817.
8, 817. 7 plus 7 is 8, is 1.
Sorry. 847, sir.
847.
847.
Now tell me one thing, Madan. Are you able to do faster than your calculator or not?
Yes, sir. I can do
Because in
faster.
calculator, you'll be pressing 2 sevens, then into, then 11, 5 digits, then is equal to. So when you can do calculations faster than the calculator, why do you use calculators? Why do you use calculators? And this is, the basic problem of every student in Nepal. I know the situation now. I've been working in Nepal schools right from April 2022. So almost 1.5 years. And the reason is, okay, I'll to prove my point, I'll ask you one simple question. How many phone numbers do you remember?
I just can remember 2, 3 numbers only.
Ask all your teachers how many phone numbers they remember. Yes, Rachna, how many phone numbers do you remember?
Family phone number only, sir.
Only family. Yes, Prajesh, you are too late. What happened? Prajesh, are you able to hear me? You're too late.
Hello, sir. Can you hear me?
Yes, I can hear you. I said you are too late.
Sir, sorry, sir. Actually, I was
No issues.
not able to.
Now tell me, how many phone numbers do you remember?
Sir, I think my mother's, my wife's, only hardly 5 numbers.
Okay. So now the question is, before this mobile phone, once you were not having a mobile phone, I'm talking about 10 years back. That time, how many numbers you remembered?
Landline numbers.
It's not a point
Sir,
of...
actually, many landline numbers. Still, I am remembering 265, 236,
So the
many
right-
landline numbers.
I remember my very old 2333097. Still I remember.
My question
It
is
was
different.
20-year
My
old
question
phone
is,
number.
yes, Madan, how many numbers at that time you used to remember? Your voice is gone. Please switch on your volume. Volume band hai, Madan.
These days, mobile phones have made easier.
What easier?
So
What easier? They have taken your
we don't
brain.
have to remember. We don't have to remember any other's numbers.
We don't have to remember, and I'll give you the conclusion of this. Just wait for 1 second more. At that time, you used to remember many phone numbers. Today, you remember only 2 or 3.
Yes.
If I snatch your mobile, you are handicapped. Even that 2 also you don't remember in actual. And
Yes, sir. That would
10
be
years
the
back, you were remembering so
situation.
many numbers. So what has happened? Do you think your memory has gone down?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
So your memory
No,
has
sir,
gone
it's not.
down.
Hello?
Yes, Rajesh.
Sir, it's not a matter of memory. Actually, nowadays it's not necessary. That's why we are not trying to
Who
remember.
told you? See, if something can be necessary or not necessary as per our needs. The problem is
Yes, sir. Actually, nowadays we are carrying mobile phone and all the contacts are there.
so why I gave this example. I just here to that. Now what happens? We are becoming habitual. We are taking it that everything is stored in our mobile. So why should I remember? You try to understand the psychology behind it. Try to understand the meaning behind it. The meaning is, why should I do? Correct. Now the same thing is applied on the children. They also think the same way. Why should I do maths? I have calculator. And particularly when I was talking about Nepal, when you have allowed calculators in the exam hall, you know, Madan, you are clear about it. 8th class, you have allowed mobile phones in the exam hall also. So why should they practice mathematics before? Why should they learn that thing? So this was the reason I gave you the example of mobile phone, because they know in class 40 minutes is a class. Anyhow, they'll pass. Go home, do the homework with the mobile, and again in the exam hall. In India, we don't give them mobiles in the exam hall, but in Nepal, you are giving it. So that becomes more comfortable. That becomes more. Why should we do? What is the need of our? When you can think this way, why not they? Got the point? And you know what is the underline of this? The underline is, give 100 rupees note to a student today, ask them to go into the market and buy bananas of 33 rupees or 13 rupees. They'll not be able to understand what change they'll be getting. So what is the benefit of sending a child to a school who learned subtraction in class 2 and is not able to do that, perform that calculation even after class 6th or 5th or 7th? So what is the value of such education then? That is a question mark. Don't think, Parvez, don't think this way. What it is not required. Same thing is what goes to the students. Why should we do calculations? Because we have mobile phones and we just have to pass 40 minutes of the class. Homework they are doing entirely with Vedic, with calculators. Madan, did you understand the point now? See, you alone cannot change your law.
Yes, sir.
Alone cannot ask government of Nepal to implement this policy. I was there in a function on 18th June when your education minister, he awarded me also. And at that time, your one of the director or chiefs, some person of a board, you have Nepal Board of Education, he was saying, we don't understand why the result of mathematics is going down year by year and why students are losing interest in mathematics. So I raised my hand and said, sir, I have a solution. You listen to it. Because you are making them incapable. Okay, tell me one small thing. When a child is born, First he crawls, then he walks. Do you stop him from falling? No, because if he'll not fall, how will he learn walking? That is what you are doing with your kids. Once they'll not be able to find one calculation, na? But if you ask them to do it without calculator, they'll be able to do. The only thing is, they should be given at least that opportunity, that chance. Anyhow, let's move further. There's a lot of things to be learned. क्या बोले मैम?
अभी आगे जाएंगे सर अभी
चल रहे हैं मैम.
हाँ again
80
praying time
88 into 11. Yes, Madan, 88 into 11. Yes, Prajesh, we are doing multiplication with 11.
968, sir.
968. 968. Got it? Okay, so let's close. So these were 2-digit numbers. What is the largest 2-digit number?
99.
99. So what is 99 into 11? They don't know, sir. You do it yourself. They don't know.
9.
99 into 11.
उनको नहीं पता, सर कैलकुलेटर खोल के बैठ जाएंगे. So see this. 9 means 10.
989, sir.
1 0.
One-
Got it?
1089.
yes
So see, you are basically doing faster than your calculators. Correct? This is what confidence you have to arise in the students. Ki when you can do better than the calculator, there is no need of calculators. So any doubt in 2-digit numbers? We did
No, sir.
from number, yes, from 10 to 99. Any doubt, any question you have? When we multiply with 11.
Sir.
So let's move further. 1, 2, 3. Now this is a 3-digit number. If you again multiply with 11, what happens?
1353.
1. Then 1 plus 2 is? 2 plus 3 is? 5.
Five.
And 3. So see, Prajesh, you can, if you understand this, it's okay because you already missed 1 hour. So this is, we are doing multiplication with 11 just to understand some basics of Vedic maths. Yes, Madan, is it clear? Rachna, clear?
It's clear, sir, clear.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So what if it is 2, 3, 4 into 11?
2574.
Yes, Kausa ma'am.
257.
2,
2574, sir.
7, 4. Finish.
4 4 4
Got it? Kitna easy hai? 2, 5, 3. What is the answer?
2783.
2783. 2,
Sorry.
7,
2783.
8 3
So see, calculator से fast आप कर सकते हैं. 3, 1, 7.
3 1
3487.
3, 4, 8, 7. Perfect. 6,
3487.
6, 3, 3.
6923.
963.
Very good. So now we'll be coming with the carryovers. 6, 4, 4 into 11.
7.
Yes, correct, correct. Go ahead. 7, then
70. Sorry,
See,
7084.
first time, first time,
7084.
see, you can go by this 6, 10, 8, 4.
4
So this will make this 7084. In case you
Yes.
want to go only mentally, so see, understand this now. First digit is 6. I have to write as it is, but no, there is a carryover coming because 6 and 4 will always give you a carryover. So change it to 7. So what is 6 plus 4? 10. 1
10.
gone. So 0 is left and you are not getting any carryover further also. So 0. 4 plus 4, 8 and 4. But this will change if I say 6, 4, 6. Now what would be the answer? 7 as it is.
7, 0.
Instead of 0, it will become 1. Why?
One.
Because 6 and 4 will give 0 plus 1 more carryover is coming. And then it would be 1. Then, sorry, 0 and now 4, 6. Got it? So 6. You can write like this 6, 10, 10 and 6. So 7, 1, 0, 6. Is it clear now?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Coming to the next one. 777. Yes, what is the answer? Yes, Madan. Now tell me.
8547.
Perfect.
547.
8547. Yes, Prajesh, is it you are able to understand this?
Yes, sir. 854, sir.
Correct. Because this is a carryover. You have to maintain a single digits. So 7,
Yes, sir. I got it.
14, 7. So if I go for this 8547, but we have to do it mentally because mentally we have to be stronger. 687. Now, what is the answer?
6.
Sir, 7557.
Perfect.
7, 7,
Yes, Rachna tried. Kausa, you're not trying.
Yes, sir.
7857.
मैम कोशिश करो जितना फास्ट
7,
करोगे
5,
yes से नहीं
7, 5, 7.
7457.
7577 कैसे होगा कौसो मैम?
7457.
7557.
Correct.
755.
832.
8.
Sir, 922. Sir, 922. Sorry, 5212.
9 2 नहीं आएगा.
Nine.
8 and 3 will give me 1 only.
9152.
And there is no carryover
9152.
further. There is
Sorry,
no
sorry, sorry.
carryover on this.
Nine.
Correct. You need to understand the carryover is not coming. 8, 9,
Yes, sir.
4. Now.
Nine 9844.
9, 8, 4, 4. Yeah. Any doubt you have? 2-3 और देखते हैं. 8, 9, 1.
9801. 9801. 9801.
Yeah,
9.
980.
So first would be 8,
Nine.
9, 9 and 9. This is 8 and 9 is 17. Got it? 8, 0. Sorry, 9801. Correct?
Eight six eight nine.
8, 6, 8.
9.
8679.
7, 9. Because 8 and 7 will
Sorry,
be
7.
Clear? चलो कोई बात नहीं, first time है, first day है. If you find a bit difficult also, then also you can you can do it on paper. This you are doing mentally. So understand, in one day if you can do this much, what if you are going to practice for 5 days? So what is the largest 3-digit number?
999 999.
So what is 999 into 11 then? 10989. Got it? 10989. So now any doubt in numbers from 1 to 999, if you multiply with 11?
No, sir, no doubt.
Yes, Kausama?
No doubt, sir.
Rachna?
No, sir. No.
Okay.
No doubt, sir. Yes, sir.
So let's move further and we'll do some more topics. 1, 2, 3, 4 into 11.
13574.
13574. See how fast. And same question even on calculator will take double time. Because you cannot type immediately. 4 letters, there's 5th is cross. Then 11 means 2. 7 letters is equal to 8 letters. Again, it is proved you are doing better than the calculator. Got it? Okay. 4341 into 11.
47.
4771
477
51.
51.
51. Correct?
1. Yes.
47751. So that was missing. 4646. थोड़ा ध्यान रखना कि सब में कैरी ओवर आएगा. So please understand.
Sir,
5 1 1
511
0,
116. Okay.
Got it? If you're finding it difficult, so 4 10 10 10
6.
10 so 6 0 1 1 and 5. ठीक है, ये देखो फर्स्ट ये आया, फिर ये 2 3 10 आएंगे ना. ठीक है. 4 9 4 7.
Five. 4.
Sir, 54417.
Perfect. See again 5. Why? Because adding will give me a carryover.
Adding will be there.
This is 4 only left, but this is also, this combination will also give you one. Sorry, this is 4 plus 9 is 3 is left, but again you will get a carryover, so there's carryover. Again 9 and 4 gives you 3, but again a carryover, so 4, and 4 plus 7 is 1 and 7. So what you are doing, if you understand this thing, you are using both your brains. So that was what I told you earlier, both left brain and right brain. And till now, whenever you were doing multiplication, addition, anything, you were not trying to do it mentally. You are doing it on paper. So that means you're not using both your brains. But here, since you are doing one calculation and assuming what is coming next, so that makes use of both your brains. And that is one reason why you become faster, and later on your concentration levels will increase. So that is activation of both left and right brain. Okay. again. 5850.
Sir, 64350.
64350. Perfect. Got it. So did you understand how this is working out? So we'll rush so that we can do more things. So what is the largest 4-digit number? Again, 9999. So how do we calculate again? 10, 9, 9, 8, 9. Finish. So see how fast we become. Clear? Yes, Kausa ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Any doubt? Any question you have now?
Mhm.
Okay. Rachna. So again, the last one, 5-digit number. Now, if I ask you this question initially, what is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 into 11? I challenge
1, 5,
nobody will take it.
15795.
1357995.
35795.
And this is only a 5-digit number. Even if I give you now 100-digit number, 40-digit number, 20-digit number, 60-digit number, and to be multiplied with 11, you'll easily do. Why? Because you know the concept, how to work. Correct? Any doubt in this topic, multiplication with 11? Before we go for a test and first observations, we'll find out. Okay. So what was the topic? Yes, Rachna. What were we doing? Yes, Amit. So we were doing multiplication with 11, correct? This was the topic, multiplication with 11. But now the question arises, where did I multiply? Yes, Rajesh. You saw how we are doing. You did it very good. But
In mind, we multiply.
now this cannot be told to a student. If we need to explain them, how will we say? We are doing in mind. Yes, Rachna. You are attending for the second time. So Rachna, where did we do multiplication? Yes, Kausa ma'am, where did we do multiplication? Madan, where did we do multiplication? Amit. Okay, so what we were doing actually?
multiplication.
We have done addition, sir, not instead of
Addition.
multiplication.
So Prajesh, will you say this to the students? We'll do addition and they'll be understanding. I'll come to the point. Is it clear? Key addition is there. First day, when you were taught in class 2 or 3, 2 into 3 is equal to 6.
6.
If you remember, nobody understood what is this cross. Because by that time, you had learnt only addition. So somebody simplified you. 2 added 3 times gives 6. Or 3 added twice will give 6. And the definition was generated. Multiplication is repetitive addition. This was done or not? Multiplication is repetitive addition. याद है कि नहीं? So
Yes, sir.
simply ये कह देना it is addition. Now the question was 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So यहाँ पर भी what was my first question? My first question was 12 into 11. So did I add it 12, 11 times?
No.
Did I add it 11, 12 times then? So you said addition. How it is addition? I didn't add it.
But
And
you told us,
in this
no, you
question
told us keep the first number as it is, rest all you can add, and keep the last number as it is.
So
You get the
how will you
result.
explain to the students? That's what I'm saying.
Same way how you gave us, same way we'll explain to them.
You are not,
Yes,
but you
with
have to
exam.
repeat. See, this was 1 plus 5. Were we doing 1 plus 5? Are we doing 1 plus 4? Are we doing 2 plus 4? No. So what we are adding? We are adding 1 plus 2, 2 plus 3, 3 plus
3
4,
plus
4 plus 4.
4.
So that means in actual, we are adding corresponding digits. Yeah, neighboring digits. Got it, Prajesh? It's not simply saying we are adding. No. You have to be specific, then only students will understand. And your memory will also be there. Otherwise, the same thing. Addition की थी 11 में, कैसे की थी वो तो पता ही नहीं. So adding corresponding digits. We are not adding 1 with 5. We are not adding 1 with 3. We are adding correspondingly. And that is the how it was doing. We were doing. What other thing you learned in this?
Left to right.
Left to right. Okay. Yes, Prajesh. What did you learn? So this is the first time in your life when you're doing you're doing it from left to right. Now this is the question 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and this is the answer. When you did left to right, this was the answer. Try this answer from right to left, the way you have been following from years. आज 10-10 साल सबको हो गए, 15 साल 20 साल भी हो गए, क्योंकि क्लास 1 में सीखा था, मैथ शुरू किया था. So from last 20 years you have been doing mathematics from right to left. आज वही right to left करके देखिए. Paper पे you will be fast, I agree. But when you will do mentally 5, 9, 7, 5, 3, 1, you will become slower. And again, example to this is when you are riding a cycle, if wind is blowing from the front side, you'll always face the friction and you'll tend to become slower. So that is what is happening when we are reading a paper, reading maths from this side, left to right, and we were doing calculations the reverse way. But with Vedic maths, you can do both the things simultaneously in the same direction. So that is the reason why speed increases. Now it's clear? Yes. Any questions you have? Yes, Cosmo. Any questions? Okay. So if no questions, then a test. What is 161 into 22? Tell me.
11 into 2, 22.
Yes, Prajesh. मैंने आंसर 161 into 22 का पूछा मैम. Yes, Rachna.
So 22 is again 11 into 2.
Do it ना, आगे करो.
Acha.
Answer तो पूरा.
1981, sir.
Now see. Same question if I would have asked you earlier. Your steps were 161 into 22. So 2, 6 to the 12 means 2 and 1 goes here. So 3, 0, 3, 2, 2. So 6, sorry, 3, 5, 4, 2. And when you're doing with this normal or conventional mathematics, it was not easy to solve. But now what happened? Now we are able to visualize. ये मैम आपको समझ आ गया कि 11 into 2 है. मैंने तो नहीं बोला, मैंने आपको 22 नहीं कराया. I taught you only 11. But what happened? You understood that yes, this is 2 into 11. What is this? 2. Then 3. Then, sorry, 2, 3 into 11. And what is that? Now we know you can solve it mentally. 3 plus 2 is 5, 2 plus 2 is 4, and 2 as it is. So this, the same question now can be done mentally. So what has changed? Earlier, we were not visualizing the numbers. Whatever question a teacher was giving, we were just writing and doing it. We are not wrong. But today is a world not to be a hard worker, you have to be more smart also. And in competitions, when you're talking about scholarship tests, when you're talking about competitive exams, at that time matters. It is always race against time. Rachna, you were also doing some entrance exam. What I remember.
Yes, sir.
So what is that? Race against time. So until and unless you are able to complete the paper, what is the benefit? If I'll do this way, this may be correct, but it will take more time, and this can be done mentally. But here question is, this can be done in the 2 ways. Because some of might ask you this thing, why 2 into 11? Why not 11 into 2? So at that time, it was 1, 7, 7, 1 into 2. That is 3, 5, 4, 2. This also you'll be learning later on how to multiply with 2, multiply it with 4, 8, 16, 32. Very easily you can do in one line. Question arises. What is correct? This one or this? Which is more appropriate? Yes, Prajesh. First or second? What is more appropriate? Rachna. पहला या दूसरा कौन सा ज्यादा सही है? First one or second one? Yes, Kausar ma'am.
Sir, first one.
Why?
First one.
Why?
First one.
Prajesh?
Because 161 is smaller than 1771. So multiplication is easy with the 2.
Now this we need to understand this way. Every time it could not be 22. Let's it be 77. So in that case, 161 into 7 will be here, and here it would be what? 11 से पहले करेंगे तो क्या हो जाएगा? 1 7 1 7 7 1 into 7. So please understand, whenever you have a multiple of 11, because the topic was multiplication with 11. So when you have 11, other than 11 means 22, 33, 44, 55, 99. So first multiply with the multipliers and keep 11 at the last, because 11 is a magical number. With 11, you can multiply any big number. Like I was telling you, 40-digit number, 50-digit number, you can multiply with 11, not with other numbers mentally. Correct? One more question.
So the other method which you showed, 161 into 11 into 2, what is the answer you got, sir?
Which one you're saying?
No, first we did 161 into 2 into 11. Yeah, this
So
one. The second
322.
part, so 1771 into 2. How you got this answer, sir? 3542.
2 से
ones are-
multiply करो.
हाँ.
2 multiply, man. Yes.
Okay, sir. Right. 7 2s are 14. Got it.
ये आप ऐसे करोगे, इसका भी एक मेंटली इसको एक देयर इज अ कंसेप्ट कॉल्ड डबलिंग. सो वी मल्टीप्लाई. अब दिस इज अ वेरी, जैसे मैं अभी आपको 11 में ब्रेन की बात बोल रहा था. सो मल्टीप्लिकेशन विद ब्रेन विद 2 इज अ ब्रेन एक्सरसाइज. वी डू लाइक दिस. So first is 2 1s are 2. But again, a carryover is coming, so we add 1, 3. Again, 2 7s are 14. So 4. But again, carryover is coming, so we write 5. 7, 14. And why here only 4? Because next will not give a carryover. So this is a very good brain exercise. Multiplication with 2, 4, 8, 16, 32. You learn later on. Right. So one question I asked you initially, what was 576 into 121? And at that time you thought this will go 576 and first we'll multiply with 1. But now what you'll say?
11 11th or 120.
Okay. So if I understand this 11, if I'm able to visualize this 11, because generally we don't do, so then it becomes a mere calculation, mental calculation, because this, I know it is 6336, and with 11, it is 69696, finish. So what was not possible mentally, if I go with the conventional method, it became mentally possible because of the concept of 11. No, because of the concept may be other also. But the best, to the point was...
Sir, what do you say for conventional method in Hindi?
Hindi?
Any idea?
Maths, पता नहीं, गणित.
Sir?
अभी नहीं आ रहा दिमाग में. आ जाएगा, मैं तो करता हूँ. Yes, Prajesh, you were saying something. Prajesh, you were saying something.
Sir, actually, this type of tricks, sir, that means the Vedic math tricks mostly with 11 and 9. And is it possible with all numbers? Sorry, that's just my doubt. Because, sorry, I'll clear that. So whenever we are watching the reels or whatever the things, YouTube and scrolling, so many tricks we can see similar things.
Now,
11,
I'll tell you that. I'll tell you reason behind it. Now, when we go for a first day or a workshop, everyone is from a different sphere of life. Now, this is just an extension of a workshop we have on Saturday and Sunday. So many people are from different backgrounds. They don't know anything about maths, and some are experts in mathematics. Second thing, how will you start with Vedic maths? What is Vedic maths? You were absent earlier. Now, my question was, at that time, why do we do mathematics from right to left only? Do you have an answer? Or
no, sir.
Why do students have fear of maths? Third, we often say to the students, check your answers, verify your answers. ये तो कहते हैं आप अपने बच्चों को स्कूल में है. You are also running school, sorry. So, in maths exam, you give them rough sheets to write, correct? You give it?
Yes, sir. Yes.
What for?
For the calculation purpose.
Calculation.
To cross check.
You say, cross check your answers, verify your answers, check your answers. Do you say, your math teacher say this or not?
Yeah.
Yes,
Yes,
Prajesh?
sir. Yes,
So,
yes, sir.
Can you answer this question? What is 12 plus 13?
25.
Yes, Prajesh.
25.
Yes, I have heard. Yes, Prajesh, what is the answer?
Sir, I told you 25.
Now, the question is, can you check this answer? Can you verify this answer?
3 plus 2, 5, 2, 1 plus 1. Actually, yeah. Okay, yeah. If it is necessary, we can add. Check.
Sir, my point is, can we verify this answer? Because this is what we say to our students. Verify your answer, check your answer, recheck your answer,
Yes.
cross your
Sir,
answer.
we can verify 25 minus 13 is 12. So
What?
verified.
Prajesh, what do you teach first,
20.
addition or subtraction?
Addition.
So a student who does not know what is subtraction, how will he do subtraction?
Sir, this otherwise split and divide 10
Sir,
plus 10.
No, no, no.
Plus 3.
They place the numbers one below other. They add it and they'll cross check it.
No, he is asking cross checking. Actually, he's not asking
Yes,
cross.
the point is, Prajesh, what I want to explain to you is, we teach differently, we preach differently. Have any teacher anyway taught how to check your answers, how to verify the answers, how to cross-check the answers, for which we are giving the rough sheets? In actual, what we are expecting from the student is, do the same question again in the rough sheet, and if it is coming the same, then it may be correct. 100% you're not sure. Because as a human being will never be able to see his own mistakes. So 90% of the times you fail when you repeat the things. If
That means some alternative method we have to give, right, sir?
So
Yeah,
had you,
12 below 13 is 25. Maybe.
no, nothing. It is not in your maths, but it is the
Yeah,
first topic of Vedic maths, that is known as digit sum. Why I'm talking to you this way? Because you raised the question, why 11, why?
No, sir, actually, my question is clear, sir. Actually, my question is not why what the starting with 11 or 9. My question is there any idea to solve all the numbers? That's my question. Is there any idea in further? Not now, not immediately, I'm telling. If we go deeply Vedic maths, is there any idea to multiply each and every digit?
That means you are asking, okay, is it, sir, can you think? This I can teach right now. There is just a 5 minutes question topic, that also. But how can, I shared you the link of books. Did you scroll the syllabus? No. See,
No, sir.
now, so first understand what is Vedic maths. One question can be done 30, for example, square. Tomorrow, if you'll attend, I'll show you how to find a square of a number by 5 methods. And some will be verbal, very much verbal, that even a class 2 student can do. Got my point? Basically, what is Vedic maths? It gives you ability to think. See, अभी तक मैथ्स में बच्चा फेल क्यों हो रहा है या क्यों हो रहा है? 40 बच्चों की क्लास है आपके यहाँ भी, प्रजेश, यूपी में 40 में से 30 बच्चे आपके टीचर के पास शाम को ट्यूशन पढ़ने जाते हैं, करेक्ट? मैथ्स में जाते हैं?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
और 10 फेल and 10 are again failing. So what does that mean? Maths is tough. You should remove it from curriculum. Or the teacher is not teaching. Or the teacher is not teaching. What do you think? Both the reasons are incorrect. Teacher is teaching. But you know what he's teaching? He's saying 12 plus 13 is 25. If you don't understand, I'll give you a rule. That's all. You are not making them understand. You are forcing them to understand. That is the difference. If a person is not able to understand one question in maths, are we explaining with other technique? Do we have other method? No. That is the problem. And this I'll make you understand in the second topic when we'll start with tables. Now, tables is one, just allow me 2-3 minutes more. So, when you talk about Vedic maths, see, Vedic maths covers entire arithmetic, first thing. So, arithmetic means addition, subtraction, multiplication, division, squares, square root, cube roots. Entire can be done in faster manner. And some topics like cube roots, which is not possible. Sometimes in exams, you take 5 to 8 minutes to solve one cube root question. And here it takes mere 1 second because you are able to solve it by visualization. So you started late, otherwise I explained what is visualization, reasoning and logic. That is a life-changing process. So arithmetic can be done, algebra can be done, geometry can be done, trigonometry can be done, calculus can be done, conics can be done, and even organic chemistry. So Vedic maths is a very vast field. So I shared you some books. You please check the syllabus. You'll get all answers to all your queries. Right. Now, but yes, to involve.
Where you have shared, sir? Where you have shared the books?
आपको भी तो मैम लिंक कितनी बार दिया है dryogesh.in/books.
No, I didn't see. I have to see, sir.
आपको तो 3 महीने से दिया होगा मैम.
अच्छा, I didn't see, sir, because स्कूल में इतना टाइम चले जाता है, आके थोड़ा देखते, फिर एक स्टूडेंट की मदर का कॉल आ
मैम
जाता है, वही
यही मूवी होती. प्रॉब्लम पता है क्या है, हम एजुकेशन को क्या लेते हैं, जिस दिन
Lightly.
पेपर खत्म हुआ उस दिन किताब को रख दिया और उसके या जिस दिन जॉब लगी, बिजनेस स्टार्ट किया, किताब छोड़ दी. क्या उसके बाद हमने कभी किताब उठा के देखा?
नहीं.
That is where we take knowledge just for an entry to a job or business. जिस दिन knowledge को knowledge की तरह लेंगे, you will gain a lot from it. We are just I wrote a top. I was just discussing one topic few days back. Why nowadays there is a big point. Will AI replace teachers? In actual, no. But the probability is becoming yes. Do you know why? Because we are running after content. Notes कहां से अच्छे मिल जाएं? Best teacher से कि हम videos ले लें, books सबसे selective ले लें. So do you think just by collecting the books in your racks, videos in your mobile, and you will become smarter or you'll be able to teach better? No. For that, because teaching needs 2 things. One is content, perfect. That is correct. But the second important thing is delivery, which we'll learn tomorrow about this also. So delivery is more important than the content, because content you can purchase, you can collect it from anywhere. Who will give you deliver if you are not able to deliver the same knowledge to the student? How will they learn? Yes, Prajesh, is it clear now? So that makes a difference.
Sir.
Correct. Okay. We're short of time. So now this is clear. One thing, maths can be done from right to left also and left to right also. That was our misconception because we never tried on this. And Vedic maths makes calculations faster, 10 to 15 times faster. That is proved now. Another advantage, why Vedic maths? So first was that it enhances our speed. This was the reason why Vedic maths, because it enhances our speed 10 to 15 times faster. Second important reason is the burden of tables. So that was my question. Sorry. This we have already done. It reduces burden of tables. So yes, Prajesh, if I ask you to write table of 89, how much time you need?
89.
Yes, 89.
Sir, I think it will take more time, sir.
What about your maths teachers? If you ask this question, same question to your teachers, do you know what will be their answer? Same 8 to 10 minutes. And
it will take minutes. Yeah, it's not possible in minute. Okay, minutes. This means 60 minutes, 30 minutes. Yes.
How much time? The 5 to 10 minutes they'll take?
Yeah, maybe. While adding, we can do 89 table.
So today I'll teach you how to do in 10 seconds.
Yeah.
Now, this
That's
was a
interesting.
problem. This is a problem. See, where we are, when do we start hating maths? Or how this word cramming came into existence? Now, you are a school owner. From where this word cramming started? As per you. Yeah, tell me. How did this word cramming start? See, all the teachers, let it be your subject teachers, English teacher, Hindi teacher, language teachers, social science, everyone says, understand, learn, and remember. This is a very basic concept. Understand the thing, learn it, and remember. But the moment tables start, it becomes difficult for students to first is understand all the tables. Today, if you are asking a table of 9, a student will anyhow cram that, remember that. Next day, you'll ask 12. And this has happened with everyone. There won't be anyone left who would say, no, I was not punished, or I was not given, I was not beaten up for the tables. We'll find very few people in the world. Very few, very rare. So what teachers say, okay, ratta marlo, cram it. And that is where actually cramming started. Cram and do it. And the student up till 6th class, he's not, because he mixes with everything, he's not able to understand whether learning, understanding, learning, and remembering was the thing, or cramming and remembering is the thing. So that is where things change. So let me show you today. Now, we'll have two techniques for tables. The first one is for tables of numbers ending with 9. So what are the numbers ending with 9? Yes, Achna, Umesh, Amit. So it is 9 itself, 19, 29.
29, 39, 49, 59.
R was 89 is one of our target, 119 and 1869. Anything could be. The only condition is it should end with 9. That means at unit place you should have 9. Second is, so this is the first concept we'll be learning now. And second is any general table. Of numbers of 2-digit, 3-digit, 4-digit, 5-digit, whatever, any number digits. Correct. So this will be a general table. So let's start with the first. Yes, what is this? Yes, Rachna, Rajesh, what is this? This is tic-tac-toe. See, problem हमारे में यही आता है. When we are this, if this would have been a class of students, they would have shouted like anything. They cannot hide their, excitement. But the day we start growing older, we start reducing. So yes, it is tic-tac-toe or zero cross, but we'll not make use of this. we'll make use of this table. And the first thing is, I'll write 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So we'll start from the leftmost corner, rightmost corner, move to the middle, and go to the top. So this directions you have to take care of, and you have to write this way. Please write down. Written. Yes, done up till here. Now second. Yes, Prajesh, have you done?
Yes, sir.
Now let's say we have to start with any table, 19 or 39 or 89 or 119. So here we will be using the first sutra, the first formula of Vedic maths. What does that say? That is, the formula is ekadhikena, ek, eka, dhi, kena, ekadhikena, purvena. Purvena means, so ekadhikena means ek adhik ena. Ek adhik, purvena means previous. So one more than the previous. So this is the first sutra of Vedic maths called as ekadhikena purvena, which means one more than the previous. So what is previous here? What we'll do is we'll not touch this 9. Whatever is before that, we'll apply ekadhikena on that. So ekadhikena of 1 becomes 2. Ekadhikena of 3 becomes 4. Ekadhikena of 8 becomes 9. 11 becomes 12. Because one more than the previous, जो भी number है उससे एक ज़्यादा. That means mathematically we have to add 1 to the number. Clear up till here?
Yes, sir.
Yes, Rachna?
Hello.
Yes, sir. Clear.
So we just have to apply the most simplest formula. Ekadhikena purvena means one more. So let's say we start with 19. So if I'm starting with 19, write down 19 in the first box. Now, ekadhikena of this one was 2. So this 2 will be added everywhere. Now, what does this mean 2 will be added everywhere? Just see. 1 plus 2, 3. 3 plus 2, 5. I'll go the reverse way. 5 plus 2, 7. 7 plus 2, 9. 9 plus 2, 11. 11 plus 2, 13. 13 plus 2, 15. 15 plus 2, 17. 17 plus 2, 19. See, we started with 19. We are ending with 19. So just put 0 behind it. Now, what is this? This is the table of 19. 19 1s are 19. 19 2s are 38. 3s are 57. 4 76. 5 95. 6 114. 7 133. 8 152. 9 171. And 10 190. Now this is clear.
Yes, sir.
See how fast you just added 2. That's all. Yes, Prajesh. Is it clear?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Clear.
I'm doing now one more. Let's say 39.
Sir,
Yes,
put that table.
which table?
अभी now which you did 19 table.
आपने किया नहीं कॉपी?
अभी कर रहा था लास्ट लाइन में आपने कर
मैडम थोड़ी फास्ट करो. अब वो डिलीट भी हो गया. ये रहा. थोड़ा सा
हाँ.
फास्ट करो ना. जल्दी
हाँ,
करो.
1 second, 1 second.
प्रिंट स्क्रीन ले लो ना, बाद में लिख लेंगे आप.
हाँ, करेक्ट, सही बात.
ठीक है,
हाँ, ठीक है.
क्योंकि फिर सबको जल्दी होता है ना.
ठीक है.
चलिए, अब ये देखिए 39 का सपोज लिखना है हमें. So what will happen now? 3 means applying Ikadikena on 3 means we add 4. So 3 plus 4, 7. 7 plus 4, 11. 11 plus 4, 15. 15 plus 4, 19. 19 plus 4, 23. 24 plus 3, 27. 27 plus 4, 31. 31 plus 4, 35. 35, 90. Finish. कितने सेकंड लगे? 6 सेकंड, 7 सेकंड, 8 सेकंड, इससे ऊपर नहीं लगेंगे.
Sir, we wasted so many years learning tables.
You are still wasting, ma'am. 4 months you have already wasted. I remember you had a word with me in August. See, that is one thing you need to understand. Whenever जिंदगी में एक चीज याद रखना, whenever you have a positive thought in your life, whenever you have a positive thought, there is always a doubt associated to it. But when you think negative, you move ahead. Like I gave you an example of resolution for a new year. So on 1st of Jan, if you have planned for yoga, meditation, shlokas, anything learning, you will always have a doubt. अरे आज क्यों करें फर्स्ट से, सेकंड को कर लेंगे. बाई चांस सेकंड को सैटरडे हुआ तो फोर्थ को करेंगे क्योंकि मंडे है. बट अगर आप
Sir, actually, Indians live their life on more procrastination style.
it's not Indian. Here it is not Indian. It is with every part of the world. We always
Acha.
prolong our wishes, our desires, because we think what will happen. And if it is excitement, if you are going for a movie, if you are going for a picnic, do you leave it?
No.
No. I will not say going to a movie or a picnic is negative, but exactly it is not that educative, informative, or that not valued for life also. So this is, so always remember, nature, universe, it always gives you an alarm. So whenever you have a positive thought, it will always create a doubt in your mind. Right, so you need to understand. So my question was 89, how much time? Now see, 89. So 8 means we have to add 9. So 8 plus 9, 17. 17 plus 9, 26. 26 plus 9, 35. 35 plus 9, 44. 44 plus 9, 53. 62. 71. 80. And 89. Finish. Yes, Prajesh, how many seconds now?
Sir, very easy, sir.
And then let the second method come. If you see the reviews of my children whom I am teaching internationally, nationally, you will understand the excitement of them. Because this is what they were failing difficulty with. This was what for they were having a havoc, a stress and pressure inside tables. The first doubt of any child. Got it?
Sir, can we drink little water and come?
आप पी लो मैम, कितनी बार तो जा
अभी तो गए नहीं सर. आज तो पूरा टाइम पड़ गए.
चलो ले लो. आपने तो ये वाला किया, मैं कर रहा हूँ. ले लो, आप ले लीजिए. Okay, now try for 40, 29. Please try, everybody try 29. You can take water if you need. Take 29. Yes, Prajesh, now you will be able to do this 29.
Yes, sir.
So try with 29, 49, whatever. So I'll be sharing homework as well as notes. So you just go through it and then everything would be fine. Tomorrow we'll be learning scaring, cubing, and so that itself is very important topics of 8th standard, 9th standard. So this is not, okay, yes, 29 done. Do it, do it. Yes, Fatima, are you back?
Yes, sir. Back.
So 29 you can do easily. Now let me show you. It's not only 2 digits. Let's go for 3 digits. 119. See, 119 up. You talk to any student, any teacher, they'll say, why to do 3-digit number? But it is not difficult at all. It is far, far easy. Once you understand the concept, then there is nothing to think. So 11 means you need to add 12. So 11 plus 12, 23. 23 plus 12, 35. 35 plus 12, 47. 47 plus 12, 59. 59 plus 12, 71. 71 plus 12, 83. 83 plus 12, 95. 95 plus 12, 107. And 119. Finish.
Sir, which table is this?
119.
119 table you are doing.
Yes, 119. ये यहाँ से तो पता चल गया ना.
अच्छा, okay, नीचे, अच्छा, okay. अभी आए ना 119. My goodness. हाँ, plus 12.
जो डर है अगर बच्चों का वही निकल गया तो खत्म. डर ही तो हटाना है अपने. डर के आगे ही तो जीत है फिर. Yes, Prajesh, is it clear now?
Yes, sir. Super excited.
No, now you see, if you have any questions, I don't know what other teacher or not. See, my USP is to take live sessions in the schools. So at that time, recently on 1st of October, 2nd October, 3rd October, I was in Fidim, that is in Nepal. Again, when you have a strength of 400 students and they're shouting like anything, it's not shouting exactly, it is excitement. Okay, this was so easy and for so long we were unaware about it. Now if you're 40 around, so see, 35 years you didn't knew this simplicity. Coming to the next topic that is more simple and that will bang your head, why we were not aware of how such things. Okay. So with 9 we can do now easily. What about other numbers? Let's say if I ask you 87, now how much time you need? Yes, Rachna? Kausa? Okay, leave 87.
Sir, yeah.
Boliye.
It is a 87 table, no?
Chalo, leave it. Okay, what is the maximum up till which student find easily, they can do it easily? That is 12. You ask any school, and not only school, I will not name you the university. I was giving a lecture in MSc Mathematics of one university. I asked the same question, up till which number you are comfortable, and they give this number. Generally, when you teach to class 3rd, they also give this number. So I was just thinking, what is the difference between their level? A 3rd class student also says the same answer, and a MSc Mathematics also same. Because both are having one thing common, lack of confidence. What is table? Now, just now we did 19, 29, 39. Now, if I ask you, okay, write 209, what is the difficulty? You'll add 21, finish. So concepts have to be clear, not cramming. Let's start with 13 then. 13, you find it difficulty. This time I was in Nepal, I asked the question, why 13? Do you find 13 is an unlucky number? That is the reason you don't know about this. So, right now what we do, either we cram, 13 ones are 13, cram or multiply. and so on. This is the first technique we follow. Now 13 is easy. The moment we'll say 17, we'll start getting multiple carryovers. The moment we start getting multiple carryovers, we'll find difficulty. So sometimes we have very good teachers also. Somebody told, no, multiplication is repetitive addition we learned. So let's apply here also. So they teach you 13 plus 13, 26. 13 and 26, 39. 13 and 39, 52. Correct? This is how you do? Yes, Kausa. Yes, Prajesh.
Yes, sir. पहले अभी आपका मेथड अप्लाई करें.
Yes, Prajesh. Any third way you know?
No, sir.
Pakka, soch lo. Just think over it. Any third technique, because when I'll tell you, you'll bang your head to the wall. That is so simple. And that compliment, I remember I got it from one student from what was that country, Scotland. I taught that child, and his father called me after half an hour. He said, "What you taught today?" I said, "What happened?" He was against his teachers. He was saying what the hell they were teaching since so many years. Now, Prajesh, one का table आता है?
Yes, sir.
Three का आता है?
Yes, sir.
So what is the problem with 13? Simple. See now. Finish? 3,
Now right and go ulta.
6, 9,
6, 9.
15, 18, 21, 24, 27, 30. Correct? दोनों tables हो गए. Now what you have to do is just observe, think this is unit place, this is 10. Can you? So first 3 answers are with you. See, you didn't do any addition, anything. 13, 26, 39. पहले 3 answers है. कुछ नहीं किया. Now, can we have 42 here? No. I'll just put 2 here. What will happen to 1? We
5.
learned in place values.
5.
So
5.
how 5? 1 will be
4
pushed.
plus 1,
Correct?
5.
4 plus 1, 5.
5.
Similarly, 5 here, 5 plus 1, 6. 8 here, 6 plus 1, 7. 1 here, 7 plus 2, 9. 4 here, 8 plus 2, 10. 7 here, 9 plus 2, 11. 0 here, 1 plus 3. So what is easy? Adding 13 every time, or adding 4 plus 1, 5 plus 1, 6 plus 1, 7 plus 2. What is easy?
Adding.
Yes, Prajesh. Boliye.
Yes, sir. This is easy.
So why is it rocket science?
No, sir. No.
So why
Everyone can.
why we were not taught this?
They were not knowing it.
कहाँ से
Because we don't
सीखेंगे?
know.
भगवान जी आएंगे ऊपर से.
नहीं सर, पहले के लोग को इतना ये सब चीजों के बारे में मालूम नहीं था. अभी खोज के सब निकाले हैं. So people.
ऐसा कुछ नहीं है. कौन कहता है पहले के लोगों को नहीं मालूम था? आप अपने फादर से पूछना. He'll tell you the table of 1.25 also.
अच्छा.
प्रॉब्लम ये आपकी जनरेशन या हमारी जनरेशन से ही आई है. बहुत पुरानी प्रॉब्लम नहीं है ये.
सही.
कि हमारी से ही है, क्योंकि हम लोगों ने करना छोड़ दिया.
जानकारी नहीं थी लोगों में, इसीलिए. अभी
जानकारी तो मैम, मेरा क्वेश्चन फिर वही सिंपल कि आपके पेरेंट्स ने आपको रोटी खिलाना सिखाया, चपाती सिखाया, तो फिर पिज्जा पास्ता किसने सिखाया? वो भी तो हमने नेट से सीखा, वो भी हमने फ्रेंड सर्कल से सीखा.
हाँ.
जब से कोरोना हुआ है, यूट्यूब से एवरीबडी बिकेम
मल्टीटास्कर.
इट्स नॉट मल्टीटास्कर. सबको हर डिश बनानी आ गई.
नहीं सर, वही सब कुछ कर रहे हैं. पहले क्या करते, हम लोग स्कूल जाते, टेक्स्ट बुक खोलते, चैप्टर्स कराते. अभी सब लोग इधर उधर ढूंढते रहते हैं, फेसबुक में ढूंढते हैं.
तो नहीं वो
बहुत-
ढूंढने का तो I gave you the answer. You are running after the content only.
Yes.
Delivery फिर भूल गए. सिर्फ content से things will not change in life.
But after Corona, people learn many things.
आप उसको दूसरी तरफ ले जा रहे हैं. My question was, did they learn education?
Yes,
Did
मैंने
they
तो बहुत
enhance their knowledge?
sitting at home after Corona, I learned in many things. We were not using teachers. Many teachers were not using mobiles before. They used to sit, copy make lesson plan and all. अभी तो हम लोग नेट से देखते हैं lesson plan. Few lessons, chapters and all that.
Yes, Prajesh, is it difficult?
No.
No, sir.
Now talk about any table. Any table you can think. 87
Yes.
I asked you. So 16, 14, 24, 21, 32, 28, 40, 35. क्या करना है? 87 as it is. 4 as it is. 1 goes further. So it becomes 117. 1 here. This goes here. See देखो calculation कितना कम हुआ. क्यों? अगर आप 87 plus 87 करते, so you would have got carryover every time. And here what you're getting, 24 plus 2, 16 plus 1, single digit addition, which everybody can do simply. 8 here, 34, 5 here, 43. Is it difficult now? See, the only thing was we never tried to do things differently. We did whatever were taught to us. And Vedic maths was taken as, no, it is just a bunch of tricks. It is not a bunch of tricks. It is a concept in itself. Entire maths can be done. But the teacher should also be thorough with it. What we do, we learn 2 concepts and we think we know everything. That is not entire Vedic mathematics. So you need to work on that. And when you'll solve every problem of student, now these 2 topics only, multiplication with 11 and tables. Tables, every student of class 3rd, 4th, 5th, 6th, 7th, 8th, 9th, they all need it. 10th, I'm not saying because they are busy in their examinations. Otherwise, I gave you an example about MSc mathematics also. I'm not naming any institution, but I know the facts and figures of every. Right. So again, it is not only now that question 19. 19 can also be done this way also. 2, 18, 3, 27, 4, 36. But in that manner, it was a game. And you need some excitement in your class also. So that method is benefited that way. Correct. Again, it's not only 2 digits. You can go for 3 digits. 1, 2, 3. So 2, 4, 6, 3, 6, 9, 4, 8, 12, 5, 10, 15. So what happens? 123, first answer, 2, 4, 6, second answer, 3, 6, 9, third answer, 2, 9, 4, fourth, 5, 1, 6. Got it? Any doubt? Any question you have? Anyone has any question, please ask now.
Sir, how long the session is?
2 minutes और.
2 minutes.
आप खत्म होने का इंतजार करते हो?
नहीं, prayer time है ना, मगर we do namaz, so I was just
I
watching.
got it. Sorry.
Because your class is very interesting, I don't want to miss it. Last
No.
time I missed it 90% of things.
Yes, no, we will because
Guests were there in my house, so
theory नहीं करेंगे अभी. So yes, Prajesh, any questions? Rachna, any questions? So these were the 2 things. I'll make it short. So the first advantage of Vedic maths is it enhances your speed. Second, burden of tables is removed. Third, no scratch work, less scratch work and limited use of fingers. Now fingers, why I'm saying, because students of abacus, they make use of fingers. And so as a trainer of Vedic maths, see, I assume that all of you are teachers and you have to become a trainer one day. So you should know what is the difference between abacus and Vedic maths. We'll learn tomorrow. So it enhances concentration, Vedic maths. How? Because both your brains are working now, right brain, left brain. Improved visualization, reasoning, logic, speed. So when everything is increased, interest is generated. What is concentration? Why don't students need concentration in games, in movies? Because they find it interesting, entertaining. So when education will become interesting and entertaining, they will find concentration in this. And research are going on these subjects in almost every country of the world. Don't think it is being done in India. India is the last to do Vedic maths. Though it's originated from India, but it is flourished in most of the countries of the world now. And last but not the least, it removes silly errors. What are those silly errors? The multiple carryovers, like I was talking about 576 into 121. So every time you would have got carryover. Or table of 87, every time you'll get a carryover. But here, no carryovers. Similarly, in subtraction, we don't have borrow. So instead of borrow, subtraction can be done with one line, all from 9, last from 10. So such easy are the concepts of Vedic mathematics. So these were the advantages, academic advantages of Vedic maths. Tomorrow we'll learn financial benefits. Why you should learn Vedic maths to become a trainer. And we'll also learn about scaling, cubing, number of concepts of that, right? So any questions now? Yes, Rachna. Yes, Kausar, now any question you have?
No, sir, no. Sir, I understood much today
So, see, attention is
compared
required.
to
That
last
is the
week's
thing,
class.
right? So
Much better.
I'll just share you all the homework and notes. So thank you very much. Yes, Rachna? Not received homework from your side. Thank you very much and good evening. Bye-bye.
Thank you.